So I finally get to do my own unboxing. Not really sure why Tom's letting me do it, but I think it's because it's a big box and he doesn't want to lift it because it seems like it's pretty heavy. So here we go, let's check it out. Okay. Okay. It is a massive Gatorade cooler. Not really sure if I can get it out of the box. Okay, so got the box open and going to open it because it was super heavy. So I'm like, there has to be something inside. And there's a bunch of goodies. Oh, look at this, super cute. Hoodie, love that. Some very stylish slides. Fun hat. Doesn't fit my big noggin. Oh, and fun hat, another fun hat. Here. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here. This is crazy. There is a huge, heavy box. No idea. This is. Oh my gosh. Oh, is it a speaker? Oh my gosh, it is a massive speaker. I'm getting yelled at for how long it's taking me. Gatorade, I'm new to this, right? Oh, another waterproof speaker. That'll be super fun for the beach. Paddleboarding. Oh my gosh, a fanny pack, a water bottle, some other accessories for packing, a t-shirt, and and a pair of very fancy shorts. You never know what's gonna show up next.